Did you know that honey is more than just a sweetener? It's a nutrient-packed superfood. Join me as we explore the incredible health benefits of honey and share some simple recipes you can make at home. Let's talk about honey. Honey serves as a quick source of energy due to its natural sugars, fructose, and glucose. It provides an instant energy boost, making it ideal for athletes and individuals engaging in physical activities. When consumed on an empty stomach, honey helps sustain energy levels throughout the day. Honey contains antioxidants and antibacterial compounds that support the immune system. By enhancing the body's defense mechanisms, it helps protect against infections and diseases. Regular honey consumption contributes to overall well-being and improved immune function. With its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, honey helps ease throat irritation and reduce cough. It is particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of upper respiratory infections. Studies suggest that honey may be more effective than some over-the-counter cough syrups in reducing nighttime coughing. Honey has prebiotic properties that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy digestive system. It helps regulate digestion and balance stomach acidity, which may also aid in the healing of stomach ulcers. Due to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, honey accelerates wound healing. It reduces the risk of infection and promotes faster recovery from burns, cuts, and other skin injuries. For this reason, honey has been used in traditional wound care treatments for centuries. Honey is rich in antioxidants and calcium, both of which support brain health. It improves memory, enhances concentration, and reduces mental fatigue. Regular consumption may help boost cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Honey promotes melatonin production, which helps regulate sleep patterns. Consuming a spoonful of honey before bed can lead to deeper and more restful sleep. This natural remedy is particularly beneficial for those struggling with insomnia or irregular sleep cycles. Honey helps lower bad cholesterol LDL levels while increasing good cholesterol HDL, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Its antioxidant content also contributes to better heart health by protecting blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Honey acts as a natural moisturizer and antibacterial agent, making it beneficial for skincare. When used in face masks, it helps treat acne and maintain skin hydration. Additionally, honey can relieve scalp irritation and reduce dandruff. Honey serves as a healthier alternative to refined sugar, offering a natural way to sweeten foods and beverages. It causes a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to processed sugar, making it a better option for those watching their sugar intake. Additionally, honey plays a role in weight management by reducing cravings for unhealthy sweets. So, what can we make using honey? Here are some sample recipes. Chop the garlic and mix it with honey in a jar. Let it sit for a week in a cool, dark place. Consume daily. Steep ginger in hot water for 5 minutes, then add lemon juice and honey. Stir well. Dice the onion and mix with honey. Let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Strain and store the liquid. Mix honey with lemon juice, add cold water and fresh mint leaves. Stir well. Mix honey and turmeric into a paste. Store in a jar and take daily. Stir honey and apple cider vinegar into warm water and drink on an empty stomach. Dissolve honey and salt in warm water. Use as a gargle for throat relief. Mix honey with brown sugar. Gently massage onto skin. Rinse after a few minutes. Mix honey with yogurt and add fresh fruits. Enjoy as a healthy snack. Brew green tea. Let it cool slightly, then stir in honey. Enjoy warm.